What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel where we turn your creative dreams into reality. It's Esther here, and today we are tackling a problem that every content creator has faced at some point: bad audio. Whether you're a podcaster, YouTuber, musician, or just someone who wants their voice to shine, stick around because I've got some game-changing tips and tricks that will elevate your audio game to a whole new level. So grab your headphones, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of professional audio. First things first, we need to convert our video into an audio file. Go into video player. For instance, I'm using the MX player. Click the three dots and tap convert to MP3. This is how the audio sounds like. Possible if you're using artificial light, you will figure out how to position that light. Now let's go into our browser and tap Audio Studio. Register with your email. And if we tap on here, you can see the format of audio files accepted. To import our audio file, tap the green file icon. Now import the audio for enhancement. Check the settings, audio volume, and remove background noise. After that is completed, we need to scroll down to export. This is the result of our first method. Clothing accessories. Clothing is another important factor. Choose outfits that make you feel confident and comfortable. Lighting and background. Proper lighting can make a huge difference in how you look on camera. Natural light is ideal, so try to film near a window if possible. Next up is our audio podcast enhancer. Let us type that into our browser and register with our emails as well. Straight to the point, let's import our audio file, which should not be more than 500 MB with 30 minutes. I already have a tutorial on how to compress a video file on my channel, so you might want to do that before converting your video into an audio if the size is too large. After it is done enhancing, it should download to our device, but if we are not so sure, tap download to confirm. Since it showed this, I already have the confirmation I need. After all has been said and done, let's listen to our previous audio and the result. Clothing accessories. Clothing is another important factor. Choose outfits that make you feel confident and comfortable. Natural light is ideal, so try to film near a window if possible. Clothing accessories. Clothing is another important factor. Choose outfits that make you feel confident and comfortable. Lighting and background. Proper lighting can make a huge difference in how you look on camera. So guys, have you ever used any of these websites and which do you prefer? Let us know in the comment section, and you can also share this video to others who might be in need of it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch up in my next one.